All right, and it looks like we're done. So this is the final output, or final result, I should say. We've got a script that is, I guess, equivalent to this one, the Go file, but originally was written using this, like both were originally converted from this original JavaScript file. So it was slightly easier this time because thanks to what I'd learned the first time around, the way in which I structured the prompts this time worked better than with the previous round. Sometimes it's luck, but sometimes it's also down to prompt, like how good your prompt engineering is. So this particular command, I did two things, right? For the do not provide your full code listing thing, it seemed to work better when I didn't put the code listing within the same command and just end it with do you understand? And the second thing is for this one, saying don't use Ethos.js, instead use the SDK methods from header SDK methods. I explicitly specify for deployments instead of just this, I specified file create transaction and contract create transaction. And it seemed to avoid that error, and one less iteration was necessary. And finally, unavoidably, there's some manual cleanup because the conversion doesn't take into account the comments, the similarity in the comments, and so especially this concept of a redaction, which is specific to tutorials or a specific way of doing tutorials. So some manual cleanup is always necessary, but this time got a much better result off the bat from ChatGPT. All right, that's it for this session.